I'm very pleased with my Keranique Rejuvenate Lift and Repair Spray. It is a great thermal spray for preparing my hair. It has a quality to it that helps hold the style in place. I'm a big fan of Keranique products. I've been using the regimen, and this is a lift and repair spray. It's a thermal protectant spray. I'm gonna invite you to use it with me today, and helps you retain the hair that you have and also helps growth and thickening of hair. This product here is a thermal spray to help you lift and give volume. It works best when you use it on wet hair. It helps prevent frizz for 24 hours, and it heals 96% of split ends and helps hair reduction and breakage by 64%. We're gonna apply the thickening spray throughout our hair to damp hair right before we dry it. I can't recommend it highly enough. I love all the Keranique products, but this lift and repair spray is great to have in your toolbox. I love it, and it feels great. I highly recommend it. This product was gifted to me for my honest review, and I'm a Keranique lover, so I'm happy to report that it holds up.